Holy shit! What the fuck? Holy shit! No fucking way! No fucking way! Let's fucking go! Holy shit! I beat Black Blizzard! I beat Black Blizzard! Oh my god, I beat Black Blizzard! I beat Black Blizzard! It's over! It's over! Oh my god! It's over! Oh my god! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! I beat it! I actually beat it! I beat it! What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god! A year and 9 months in the making! I beat it! I beat it! Yes! Yes! I beat Black Blizzard! Finally, bro! Finally! It's over! Oh my god! Oh my fucking heart! Oh my heart! I beat it! I beat it! Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm shaking, I'm shaking, I'm shaking. Oh my god, I'm shaking. Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My fucking heart is beating so bad. I didn't die at the ending. I can't believe I actually didn't die at the ending. Yes! A year and 9 months in the making. Oh god. Oh jeez. I fucking beat Black Blizzard. I beat it. I beat it. It's over. It's finally over. It's finally over. I beat my first extreme demon. Yes. 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 Oh my god.